Alright, what I want you working on today is constraining objects. So I'm going to go to File and open, what I did there, just open a new part from here. So new part, and what I mean by constraining is when we did the mallet, we constrained the handle to the mallet head. So we're going to do some more work around that. So I'm going to create, so I'm going to do File, if it lets me, save as. Moving too fast for the computer. Nope. Come on. So I'm going to call this one Blue Brick. Blue Brick. Save. And I'm just going to make, you'll see, like a brick. So on the XY plane. We'll make it a, let's make it a 2, actually a 3. So 3.0 tab, 4.0, enter, escape, home. So we'll make this brick right here, and we'll extrude that, extrude, and 1 inch is fine, okay, and make it blue, boom, save. Now I'm going to make another one, so open, nope, new, part, and file save as. It's going to be the yellow brick. I wasn't capitalizing the other one, so I'll stay consistent, yellow brick. Save. And this one, again, on the XY plane, from 0, 0, 3.0, tab, 4.0, enter, escape, home, and then finish sketch, extrude, 1 inch, make this one yellow. So we're going with a little bit of the UC University of California theme here, the blues and yellows. So that one's yellow. I'm going to hit save. Now I'm going to open an assembly file. So new assembly file. And we'll save as brick assembly. And then we're going to place some bricks. So blue brick, open. I'm going to zoom out a little. 1, and you can just put a few in here. 2, 3. Escape, and then I'm going to grab some yellow bricks. Where did they go? Alphabetical order. Some yellow bricks. That yellow is kind of gross, but it's fine. It kind of looks like gold on the screen. Escape. So I have some bricks here. And what I want you to do is you're going to start constraining these together, and I want you to play around with it and try and maybe make a design or some type of structure. You can go to constrain, and we're going to use, so mate, let's say we want the top of that one connected to that one, so you can see my arrows there. Boom. I hit apply. But notice, so they are constrained together at this face, but they're not constrained on their side. So I would go constrain, and you gotta be careful of these. You can constrain edges, but right now I want you constraining faces. So face to face, apply, and then maybe this one, and I'm gonna hold down Shift and scroll at the same time. It's gonna let me do that and still stay in this mode. Doesn't like that. What did I do? Cancel. So that one, like, flipped it around. Should brick is that? It's that one. I'm going to get rid of that constraint. So I'm going to delete that one. I'm just going in, you see them all here, but if I hover over it, it tells me which brick it is on the left-hand side. So I got rid of that constraint, but that one's still there. Let's see. Flush. Whoops. So I did mate, but that one I want them to be flush, meaning that the two edges line up with each other. So apply. And then let's try this side. Flush. And then this side. Flush. So see, now these should be together. They won't fall apart. Cool. So we could start making like a pattern, maybe like a checkered pattern. So constrain this edge. So we're gonna mate that one to this side. Apply. Then we have to start flushing it. So I'm gonna flush the top with the top of the yellow one. So flush with that. Apply. And then flush with that face. Apply. And I think that's enough to where it won't fall apart. Let's see. Good. And then constrain, so yellow to, and that's got to be a mate to there, apply, flush, and then I'm going to flush it with the edges here, and it's got to be flush with, could be flush with either one of these faces, apply. So that's what I want you doing, is start putting together things, playing around with constraint just to see how it works. So you saw that I was initially I'd made the objects together and then I'm flushing them, and flush meaning that the faces are lined up with each other. It's flush, if you've ever heard that in the English language. So yeah, you can do what I'm doing, just a simple checker pattern, but if you want to mix it up and create something different, then try and do it.